Hello everybody. There's a person who's like freaking out. She like dropped her bike and then she's running off. I don't know what's going on. But we're at Walgreens right now and I'm excited to share with you guys today's deals. I am extremely tired right now. We went to a Brewers game on Friday for the first time in over 10 years. The kids, it was the first time for the kids. And then we went out on the river and lake yesterday with some friends all day. And then we went and hung out with our neighbors at during a fire pit. So I've had a long weekend. I'm excited to get this video or this shopping extrava done so I can just sit back and relax. I am so tired. I just want to go back to bed. So yes. But I will wake up once I get inside the store and start moving around. So yeah, Walgreens. I am going to be doing a life update video for you guys very, very soon. I'm hoping we can find out something going on in the next week or so. I promise you guys, some of it's good news, some of it's bad news, but I'm excited to share with you guys. I'm finally excited to share with you guys. I'm just waiting for, I had good news for myself, but I'm just waiting for one more thing and we hopefully find out next week. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But other than that, let's go inside and have some fun. Not a lot of hot deals, but we're still gonna go inside and have some fun. So let's go and have some fun shopping at Walgreens. And I know, you're like, Jennifer, stop saying let's go have some fun. Well, we're gonna have fun, okay? So here we have the Nivea women's body wash on sale for just $6, or the men's body wash is on sale for $5. Now they have it where if you buy two, you will receive a $5 cash rewards, making them about, you'll pay $5, it makes them about $2.50 for the men's and about, I think what, $3 for the women's, give or take. Otherwise, there is a deal where if you spend $20 online, you get to use the code NIVEA. I think it's 10, it's either 15 or 20, I can't remember. My app's just not working to find that deal. But they have it where if you spend, I think 15 or 20, you get $5 off. So what you guys can do is you can buy 4 of the men's body wash for $5. That's 20 bucks right there. You're gonna use that code, there's a fly near me. You're gonna use that code NIVEA to get $5 off. You will pay $15, but you will receive $10 in Walgreens cash, making it just $5 for all of them, or that's like $1.25 each. $1.25 for the men's. The women's, if you want to do both, if you want to buy 4 of those, you could buy them for $24. You're gonna get that $5 off. You'll pay $19, but then you'll get that $10, or you'll get the $5. No, you'll get the $10 back, sorry. You'll pay $9, and that is for $2.25 for the women's body wash. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. But this is an online deal to use the Nivea code. So here we have the Dove bar soap, the 6 counts for $10, including the men's for just $10. Now we do have a 5 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys will use. You buy 2 of them, you'll use that 5 off a 2, you'll pay $15, but you get $3 in Walgreens cash when you do this deal, making them just $12 or $6 each. So if you guys need some bar soap, that comes out to be like basically $1 a bar. So if you guys need some bar soap, it's an okay deal. So here we have the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. So these are 2 for $9 on sale, but we currently have a 2 off a 2 IBC coupon that you guys can use, and then we also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys, these for just $3 or $1.50 each, which is an okay deal. Usually we say pay $1 or so for shampoo and conditioner, so it just depends on what you guys want to do. So the Colgate is the same deal as last week. Last week I did the mouthwash and the toothbrushes, but the Colgate toothpaste is on sale for just $4. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You're gonna use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you guys will end up just paying $5 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $3 register reward. So it makes it basically, is it $3 or $3 cash? I can't remember. $3 register reward, making them just $2 or $1 each. So if you guys need some Colgate toothpaste, it's not the greatest deal to pay $1 for it. If you still have that coupon from last week for the mouthwash or the toothbrushes, that is a better deal, but I only did the one deal. I didn't do this deal. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up for some $1 Colgate toothpaste. Okay, you guys, so here is the Palmolive dish soap. I haven't seen Palmolive dish soap in Walgreens in almost a year, but these are on sale this week for $2.99, these bigger bottles. Now, when I was clipping coupons this morning, I saw a coupon, and I swear it was $2 for the Palmolive. Now, right here, when you look at the ad, it says up to $2 off. But when you click on it, nothing pops up. But when I search for Palmolive, like in the section, it shows right here there's a save $1.50 coupon, but when you click it, nothing is popping up. So I'm gonna give you guys two scenarios depending on if you have this coupon. So, and I've searched my clip coupons, and there's nothing popping up. So we're gonna say these are $2.99. If you guys have that $1.50 off digital coupon, you will pay $4.98 for two of them, but then when you purchase the two, you will receive a $2 register reward, making them $2.48 or just $1.24. But then the ad shows that there's a $2 off coupon, and I know I clipped one. So if you have that $2 off digital coupon, you will end up paying $3.98. You'll get that $2 register reward, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents for a big bottle. Yes. So this week we have more items on the 4 for $10 list. We have the Mr. Clean, which my store is sold out of. We have the Febreze, so a lot of these individual bottles are 4 for $10. The small spaces, like these ones right here, are 4 for $10. The Cars. We also have the Mr. Clean Concentrate, which my store is sold out of that, also 4 for $10. These free Febreze bottles, 4 for $10. We have the Gain soap right here, this upside down, is 4 for $10. And then more of the Dawn, 4 for $10. And then, yeah, so if you guys are looking at any of those items, 4 for $10. Make sure you guys check out your school supplies if you guys need anything. A lot of the pens and markers are on sale for, like, I see some 2 for $5, $4, the Tide Coronda, whatever. I know we do have some Ibotta deals, and last time I checked, I think we had some Fetch Reward deals as well. So if you guys can stack that stuff, definitely go ahead and do it. And then they have it where if you spend $20 on back to school items, you will receive a $5 register reward. So I know when I was looking at the deals with Fetch Rewards a couple days ago, there was some deals for the back to school. Like right here, if you spend $14 on Papermate, you get 1,000 points, which is not that big of a deal. But with stacked with Ibotta, here we have, if you spend $8 on Tide Coronda pencils, you get $1,000 or 1,000 points, which is again $1. So it just depends on what you guys want to get, but back to school. Another thing I want to give you guys a heads up is, like, all this summer, like, pool stuff, the pool toys and stuff. This stuff is slowly going to start going on clearance soon. It's usually around September, like the middle of September is when all this stuff goes on clearance for like almost 90% off. So if you guys are eyeing some stuff, make sure you keep an eye out for it and have them price check it, because this stuff will soon be going on clearance. I still have a ton from last season, but hey, I just love 90% sales. So here we have the little baby bottles of the Arm & Hammer. This week they are on sale for, or they're actually regular price, $7.49, but they are buy one, get two free. That comes out to be just $2.49 each, if you guys are interested with that. The pods and the shakers are also included if you guys are interested with that too. So the General Mills cereal is on sale too for $2.49, and then the Kellogg's cereal is buy one get two free. So you pay $5.99 for the Kellogg's. That's basically $2 a piece, but there is no Ibotta rebates for those sizes of boxes. But we do have this Ibotta rebate for the Reese's Puffs, $2.49. There's currently a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys will want to use. You will pay $3.98. But then we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for only the puffs. There's no other cereal deal, but only the puffs for 75 cents. And yes, you guys can use a coupon for this, but you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making it $2.48 or just $1.24 a box, which I think is a pretty great deal, and this has become one of my favorite cereals. We have the Pringles on sale. I feel like this is a sale that's always on sale, but I never mention it. But these are currently on sale till August 31st at buy one, get one free. That comes out to basically just be $3.49 for one, or $1.74, which is a pretty good deal for $1.74 for some Pringles. Hello everybody, so I'm back at Walgreens. Yes, so I didn't get a lot of stuff, and the reason is because I don't need a lot of stuff. So this is probably one of the smallest hauls I have ever had. One of the smallest hauls I have ever had. But that is okay, that is okay. So I ended up getting the Reese's Puffs cereal because I really like this cereal. So this was $2.49. I used $1 off of 2 digital coupon. I did have a $1.50 register reward print off for 3, if you guys get that. But I used $1 off of 2 digital coupon, paid $3.98, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I ended up getting 75 cents back for each box. So I ended up getting $1.50, and then I also had a 10-cent any receipt, so I got that. So but these end up becoming $2.48 or $1.24 each, which I think $1.24 for a box of cereal, considering how much things cost these days, is a pretty good deal. This is like three or 4 breakfasts for me. So I got 2 of those. And then I ended up getting the Palmolive dish soap. And the $1.50 off digital coupon did come off for me. So I'm giving you guys a heads up. I could not find it. I could not find it. I know I clicked it this morning when I was going through my coupons, and then I could not find it in the app. When I went to checkout, it wasn't popping up. When I was like pretending to check out online, it wasn't popping up or anything like that. So, but the $1.50 did come off. So these were $2.99, that $1.50 off a digital coupon. Now I don't know if that's for 1 or 2. Like I said, I have zero idea what's going on, but I paid $4.48. But then the Catalina machine was out of ink, and I forgot to, I got in the car and I'm like, oh wait, my register reward did not print off. So I ended up going inside the store, and she gave me points for it. So I got $2 of points, and then this printed off when she gave me points, which I'm like, okay, good, because I knew that was gonna print off when I got this cereal anyways. But you're supposed to get a $2 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them $2.48 or $1.24. So I think it's a pretty good deal for a bigger bottle of Palmolive dish soap. I used to get Palmolive like all the time, and then it was Gain, and then I haven't gotten Gain. Gain's not on sale anymore. Now it's gonna be probably Palmolive. So be prepared, if you guys like Palmolive, that it'll be on sale at Walgreens for a while now. I mean, it'll probably be like once a month or once every 3 weeks or every other week. I don't know. I don't know. I also got the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $9. I ended up getting some fancy shampoo last week at Target, but I still get some of this stuff because you never know. I'm just trying to find what hair shampoo works for me. But these were 2 for $9. There is a 2 off of 2 IBC and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So these come out to be $3 or $1.50, which is still a pretty great deal. I ended up getting these Hershey bars. These were 3 for $3. Now, we have the cookies and mint. Now, if you guys are a 90s child, they used to have these, but they weren't green. They were all like the brown chocolate, but then they had chunks of like mint cookie in it. And so I'm hoping that maybe these taste like that. But then Walmart brought them back a couple years ago, and I really love these. And then we have salted caramel, which I can't remember if they ever brought salted caramel. I can't remember. And then we have strawberries and cream, and I swear they have this too. But I got these to do a taste test review. So yes, got those. And then I needed some more makeup. Now I did not do a video for this because like I didn't factor that in. But these are $19.99. When I started using this, these were $14.99. Now they're $19.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. I ended up getting these because this is the makeup that I use. I ended up getting some e.l.f. stuff, but then I realized it was like a highlighter, and I'm like, okay, never mind. But I needed to get some makeup. But $19.99, buy one, get one 50% off. I had a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon, and then a $10 off of 2 digital coupons. So I paid $17.98 for 2 of these, which you're like, okay, that's kind of expensive. It might be. Some of you guys spend more, some of you guys, I would rather pay less, but I've been waiting for a deal for this makeup because I'm completely out of it. I got like just a tiny little bit, so I'm like, I need to get more anyways. I mean, I've been literally waiting for 2 months to get this makeup, and so I'm like, I need it, and I have been checking, like, Target wanted like 12 something dollars for it. Amazon at a point wanted like $11 or $10 for it, but between $17.98, they come out to be $8.99 each. So I got it. I was thinking of getting the Maybelline Fit Me. If you guys have tried that and you liked it, let me know, but I think that's gonna be maybe the next makeup I try. I'm gonna try to get a deal for the Maybelline Fit Me. So just giving you a heads up. And then when you buy those Hershey chocolates, if you guys buy 3 of them, make sure they ring up 3 for 3, because mine did, and they had to give me a refund. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I gotta put these in here so they don't get all that. But that was everything that I got. Everything that I got. Like I said, the sales weren't like the greatest this week, and that is okay. That is okay if you guys need to take a break. But my total came to $32.41. I did not pay that price. I ended up having I had a lot of register rewards to use up, so I ended up paying a lot with register rewards. And then I had it where if I spent $40, I got an $8 of points, and I wanted to try to hit that, and I did. So I did get $8 back. So $32.41. I was supposed to get the $2 of the register reward, and she gave that to me in points. And then I did receive $8.51 for my purchase. So that was for the spend 40, get $8. And then for Ibotta, I did receive $1.60 back for the box of cereal, and then I had the 10-cent any receipt. And then make sure you guys, if you are getting the cereal, make sure you guys are submitting your receipt to Box Shops. Box Shops reset, so you guys can start saving money for the new school year. So my grand total came to $20.30, which, it's okay. I mean, I'm still happy with everything that I got, but I mean, it wasn't like a hot couponing week this week, but like I said, it's okay. It is okay to take a break if you guys need to, or just get the essentials that you need. I always like trying to get school supplies, and I always stack them with like Ibotta and Fetch Rewards, but there's just not a lot of great deals. But I do need to go school supply shopping, and I usually do that at Target and Walmart, so I gotta do that soon too. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys love saving money. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I'm gonna relax, but yes. And then I'm still debating. I might not do Walmart on Thursday. If you guys are a Walmart shopper, I am going to my mom's house possibly on Thursday. I might just say screw it and go Wednesday, because I haven't been to my parents' house since Christmas, and I just need much time away. So I may or may not do a Walmart video, and that, again, that is okay if I don't do it, because it is slow. It is slow this summer. So yes, but if you guys enjoyed this video, again, thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.